everyone, this is Vartika Singh and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and also you can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Okay, so today's video is about 5 must-have products for girls. So basically, these are makeup products except for one or two, and if you are not a makeup person, then also please hang on there because these are not something which can make you look cakey or look as if you have put oodles of foundation and makeup. No, not at all. On the other hand, these things will make you look a little more presentable. Some people obviously have the view that you don't need makeup. Well, that's your own personal choice, but I think if you put like just a few products that can make you look a little more presentable. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with the video. Okay, so the first product is a sunscreen. So whether you are a boy or a girl, you need to have a sunscreen. Like, I cannot stress enough on how important a sunscreen is. Some people have a view that you need a sunscreen only when you are going outside. No, this is not at all true. You need a sunscreen even when you are at home. Okay, so this is the sunscreen that I'm using currently. So this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sun Block, and the best thing about this sunscreen is that this has an SPF 50 plus. Like most of the sunscreen have SPF 30 only, and that doesn't give you a full coverage as such. So this is the best sunscreen in that terms. And also if we talk about the pricing, that's also pretty decent. Like you get this tube for rupees 200, and this tube has lasted me like for more than 4 to 5 months, which I think is pretty good. And this is also dermat tested and water resistant, so you need whatever you need in a sunscreen, this sunscreen has it. Now talking about how it feels on skin, so this kind of feels like BB cream. Like you may be thinking that this is so odd, but yeah, this gives you like a very natural glow and you look glowy and dewy sort of thing, which I love. So this is like the best sunscreen for dry skin people. Also, if you are an oily skin people, I think this will suit you. So yeah, you can definitely go for this one. This is the best sunscreen I have ever came across. Okay, so the next 4 products I'll be showing you are just makeup products, and I have done this makeup look using these 4 products only. Trust me that. So the next one is a kajal. I know that's pretty weird. Like, people have literally stopped using kajals these days, and well, I had also stopped using kajal for the longest time, but now I am again back to kajals, and I think kajals are just so beautiful and they make your eyes look so pretty, and especially on Indian skin tones, kajal looks so very beautiful. So if you are someone who doesn't use kajal, or if you have stopped using kajals, babe, go back to kajals. They are your pretty life savior. So this is the one that I'm using. So this is the Maybelline ka kajal. Well, when it comes to kajal, I only trust two brands, that's Maybelline and Lakme. They are on the pretty same price range and same quantity. So you can go for anyone. Well, I cannot choose between the two one because both of them are exactly the same, and you can go for any one of them. So currently I'm using this Maybelline one. So this is like almost over. I have to restock on this soon. So yeah, start using kajal if you have already stopped using it. Okay, so the next product is again an eye product because I think I speak the most. So yeah, so this is an eyebrow pencil. So if you are someone who has like very thin eyebrows, then you can certainly go on to eyebrow pencils. So this is the eyebrow pencil that I'm using. So this is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. So in my initial days, I literally didn't like using eyebrow pencil at all because I think that kind of look weird. But trust me, since I have started using this one, you can see like as soon as you use an eyebrow pencil, there's a sudden change in your face and you look like more presentable. Also, the main tip is that do not buy an eyebrow pencil of black color. Never do that mistake because then you look not so good. So always use a dark brown or the darkest of brown or something matching to your hair color. So just look at this shade. So this is like a dark brown sort of color, so it looks very natural. It doesn't feel like you have applied an eyebrow pencil. It looks very similar to your brows. So I just brushed my eyebrows and then I just applied thoda and it looks very natural. So yeah, you can definitely try this eyebrow pencil out. So the next one is a concealer. So for people who love doing makeup and they don't like wearing foundation on everyday basis, always use a concealer, because we all have some sort of hyperpigmentation or dark circles, so concealer can help you hide those. So this is the concealer that I use. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige. No, this is pure beige. So this is the best concealer out in the market. I know, like, it's a bit expensive, like this is for around 600 rupees, but you can get concealers from Maybelline or Swiss Beauty. They are also equally good. But the main thing is that you have to find a concealer of the correct skin tone. That's the most important thing, because if you don't find a concealer of the correct skin tone, then it looks kind of grayish and that doesn't look good at all. So I would suggest you to do some research and find a concealer of your correct skin tone. If you are somewhere near to my skin tone, then go for pure beige shade in this concealer. That's perfect. So the last product is a lipstick. So if you are not a makeup person and you just want to have one lipstick in your wardrobe or vanity, just have this one. That's a nude lipstick. So this is the Maybelline Creamy Matte in this shade Nude Nuance. So just look at the shade. It's so pretty nude, and let me show it to you guys. So yeah, just look at it, and oh my god, it does what it says. It's so creamy, at the same time it's so matte. So this is the lipstick that I'm wearing today, and I think this is the best nude shade I have came across so far. So yeah, you need to have like a nude shade. Maybe you don't have a red or you don't have a dark shade, that's okay, but one nude shade is very important, and you can definitely go for this one. So this is a mini, and I got this for around 200 rupees. I don't remember exactly. You don't even need to go for the bigger one, because just look at it. Even the mini one has such a large amount of product, and I think this will last me for more than 6 months. So I think the mini is also like more than enough. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it did, then do not forget to give a thumbs up, and also please subscribe. Till then, bye. Love you all.